Why Forever? Why Forever?
Why Forever?
Because it's the best network marketing solution.
We are the world leaders in aloe vera-based products, and we've been around for 35 years.
For over 35 years, Forever has given ordinary people access to an extraordinary business.
With real potential, uncapped earnings and fast, proven results.
You can trust Forever. Forever is a member of the Direct Selling Association.
And it also has the Investors in People Gold and Champion accreditation.
Forever is a stable and sustainable company. It's not a flash in the pan.
Through a global climate of recession, economic turmoil and unemployment,
Forever just gets stronger and stronger.
Forever trades in over 150 countries.
So you can create a successful business from anywhere in the world.
Forever is a career choice.
Forever provides an alternative to the 9-to-5 rat race. The marketing plan helps you enjoy uncapped earning potential for the long term.
It's easy. You just work the plan and you see the results.
There are so many generous rewards on offer.
And that's on top of your earning potential.
There's the chairman's bonus, which is the most generous incentive on offer in network marketing.
And it's global, and I love it.
And you can enjoy international travel and even a car plan.
So take control.
Take control.
Forever means quality.
Forever uses the most ethical environmental techniques available in product manufacturing.
It offers products that work.
Products that are kind.
And products that make you feel really good.
Forever puts its money where its mouth is.
If customers are not entirely satisfied, Forever offers a 60-day money-back guarantee.
You won't find that on the high street.
Forever is easy.
There's no joining fee, no annual fee,
Very low startup costs.
no stock holding.
And you get loads of support.
The marketplace is endless. You can choose to retail in weight management, in nutrition, in sports products, in skincare, with animal products, with makeup. It really is endless. It's your choice.
The Forever opportunity is so good that many people are joining us every year.
Why Forever?
So why Forever?
Because it's the best.
That healthy, wealthy lifestyle is within reach, so what are you waiting for?